teen who's tired of being broke, want to make money from home without begging your parents? Then stay with me because I'm about to show you how to start earning from home right now. No boring jobs, no scams, just smart ways to hustle as a teen. And yes, even if you're only 13 or 14, you've got options. You don't need a car, you don't need a credit card, you just need creativity, consistency, and the right tools. Let's start with the online ways to make money from home. These are perfect if you love being on your phone, tablet, or computer. Number 1. Online surveys and micro tasks. Sites like Swagbucks, Ysense, and Taluna pay you to watch videos, answer polls, or try new apps. It won't make you rich, but it's a good start for beginners. You can earn a few dollars an hour while chilling on your couch. Some teens make $50 to $100 a month just by stacking these tasks. Number 2. Selling stuff on Etsy or eBay. Got a creative site? Make bracelets, stickers, digital art, or even slime. List them online and start taking orders. Ask your parents to help set up the account. It's worth it. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok page. Share your talents, your hobbies, or even your pet. With enough views, you can earn ad money or get free stuffs from brands. Mr. Beast started as a teen. Why not you? And short form content is blowing up right now. Number 4. Freelancing online. Are you good at writing poems, drawing logos, or editing videos? Use sites like Fiverr or Upwork to offer you skills. Some teens earn $500 a month freelancing from their bedroom. Even voiceovers and social media captions are in demand. Next, we have print-on-demand stores. Upload a cool design on Redbubble or Teespring. They print on t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. You get paid whenever someone buys your design. You don't handle inventory. They do the shipping for you. Next, we have Make Money Gaming. Yes, it's possible. Try Mistplay or Buff for reward-based games. Or go bigger and stream your gameplay on Twitch or YouTube. If you're entertaining, people will follow and donate. Next, we have online tutoring or homework help. If you are a math whiz or a grammar geek, help younger kids online. Use Zoom or Google Meet or charge per hour. Parents will pay for results and you earn while studying yourself. It's smart money. Next, we have write blogs or publish on Medium. Teens who love writing can start earning from their opinions. Write about tech, gaming, school hacks, or relationships. With traffic comes ad revenue. It's slow but long-term gold. Now let's move to the offline ways to earn money at home. These work if you prefer staying active or helping people face-to-face. First, pet sitting or dog walking. Neighbors travel, pets need care. You step in, walk them, feed them, or just chill with them while owners are away. Second, babysitting or watching younger siblings. Take a Red Cross babysitting course and start earning safely. Parents love responsible teens who can help charge early or set packages for weekends. Third, sell homemade food or crafts locally. Cookies, brownies, bracelets, whatever you make, someone will buy. Use community groups or ask your school if you can set up a booth. It's creative and super fun. Fourth, we have yard work. Cleaning or seasonal jobs, mow lawns, shovel snow, clean garages. People pay teens to do the tasks they don't want to do. All you need is some muscle and motivation. No app, no internet, just good old hustle. So what are you waiting for? Pick a method, start small, and go make that money from home.